Caleb here with Chavano Outdoors YouTube channel. This weekend I'm going to be camping, doing a bunch of hiking, cooking good food, hanging out with friends, and having a really good time. Thanks for joining me for this adventure. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get my tent set up, and I'll get back with you. Alright, we got her all set up. Took me a little longer because this ground is very hard and it was not easy to get the stakes in. But we got her set up right on the edge here. Couldn't have asked for better weather. This is a really cool lay flat hammock that I got from Norway, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Oh yeah. Another really neat feature about this hammock is that the stuff sack it comes in when it's done just clips into place here on the inside of the hammock, and then that doubles as an extra storage pouch for anything. Alright, we are also in bear country, so I'm gonna hike away from my camp over here a little bit and do a bear hang, show you guys how to do that. So just gotta find a good tree. So what you're looking for is a tree that's got a good branch that shoots out a little bit. Alright, so this is my bear hang cord. Some super lightweight micro cord here. So I'm going to set this carabiner down for now and undo all of my cord, and I'll get back with you. Alright, so once you've got all your cord unraveled, you're going to wrap the end around a rock. They do make lightweight rock bags if you do want to bring that with you. You just throw some pebbles in there, some sand or something to weight it down so you can throw it. But I'm just going to do a slip knot around this rock, and then I'm going to do a half hitch around crosswise. That may be way too far up, but I'm going to try to get it over there. It's going to be way too high. Alright, after a couple tries, I found a new tree. So, I don't know if you can see the rock up there, over that branch. So once you've got your rock back down, you can go ahead and undo the knot from there. Alright, then I went ahead and put a carabiner on the loop that the rock was attached to. I just clipped the other end there so I don't lose it up in the air. Alright, so once you've got your bag hung, the next thing we're going to do is take the line here, and we're going to clip it inside of the carabiner. Hopefully you can see that. And then pull our bag up. Alright, the next thing I went ahead and did for the bear hang was, as high as I could reach, go ahead and tie a stick onto that. So now, once you got your stick on the line, we're going to lower it down, and it'll lock onto the carabiner. And now you have successfully hung your bear bag. Make sure you get any snacks out before you put your bag up that you may want to eat. I also brought along with me some of this Sawyer picaridin, or not picaridin, permethrin. This stuff is super helpful for treating gear and repelling ticks and mosquitoes. So in this area of the US right now, ticks are really bad this year. So I'm going to take every precaution and spray it on, and I figured I'd show you guys how to do it. So permethrin is super simple to use. It's also safe for tents. It won't ruin the waterproofing on anything, so you can use it on pretty much anything. It is safe for humans once it is dry, but when it's wet, it can be toxic. So it's super simple. All you do is we're just gonna spray it on an even coat on the tent. And then we'll let it dry. I also don't know if I mentioned, but this is the Big Agnes Tigerwall UL2. I did a full first impression / review video or setup video on this, so if that's something you're interested, I'll link it up here in the top corner. All right, I'm gonna go down and hang out with my friends and have dinner, and I will see you when I get back up here. All right, guys, I'm about to go to bed. Dinner was delicious. We had some chili with some fruit and a bunch of good toppings, so that was good. And just had a fun time hanging out with friends and sitting around the campfire, making some s'mores. So yeah, it was a good night. So tomorrow, I think we've got some plans for a hike, maybe just hanging out, playing some games. So good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. I didn't sleep too well the first part of the night, but I slept really well this morning, so I think it was because it was dead silent, and I can't sleep in dead silence, so it started raining only about 1 in the morning. That kind of put me to sleep, so it's raining out right now if you can hear it. I'm just going to chill here in my hammock until the rain passes. Alright, I just checked the weather on my Garmin app, and it doesn't look like the rain's going to stop for a couple hours, so hey, that's camping sometimes, so I'm going to get out, try to get my rain gear, and then maybe go down to my friend's camp. They got a canopy set up. I just got backpacking gear with me, so it'll be a little easier to hang out down there, so yeah. Alright guys, well, the rain has stopped finally. It is now 12:35, so we just took our time making breakfast down there and just hanging out, had a really lazy morning. Everyone did not sleep well last night. Everyone is back taking a nap in their tents. We're just going to do that for about another half hour, and then we're going to probably go for a hike to a waterfall. But right now, while everyone's taking a nap, I'm working on editing this video for you guys. Green.
Oh my lord.
Green.
Oh my gosh, I almost had it. She's like drifting.
Alright, we're down here at a little lake, just relaxing, enjoying some good views. Then we're going to head back to camp a little bit later. We'll probably make some dinner. Alright guys, I just got back from going down to the lake. I didn't go swimming. I forgot to bring swim trunks on this trip, so funny me. But it was beautiful down there. It's a good day, so I am not going to cook any dinner tonight. My friends that are here invited me down to join them for dinner, so I'll be going to do that. I probably won't be sleeping in the tent tonight. I think I'm going to sleep in my hammock over there, but I've just got this set up, so kind of for testing reasons as well. Get some miles in on this, so to speak.
Good evening. I am sorry, filming kind of went by the wayside today. After the rain, everyone was just exhausted, and we just literally just hung out by the fire. We did go down to the lake and swim, but after that, we just came back up, made dinner, and literally just sat around the rest of the day. So there was nothing much exciting to show. I'm about to go to bed. Tomorrow, I'm going to get up and drive into town and go to church, and then I'll be back. Good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Oh man, I slept so well last night. It was great. I'm about to get up here, make some breakfast, and then, like I said last night, head to church, and then I'll start filming once I get back up here. I'll see you guys later. For breakfast, I'm going to make myself some protein oatmeal. It's a super simple recipe. All you do is take 3/4 cup of oatmeal and then mix that with a scoop of protein powder, your favorite one, doesn't matter. A tablespoon of cinnamon, a scoop of powdered greens, and then like a tablespoon of brown sugar, and that's all. It's super delicious. And if you want, you can add raisins. I added some chocolate chips to mine. You can add walnuts or any other toppings that you want. Just finished boiling the water. Now we're going to add this straight in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the oatmeal on the road with me, and I'll see you when I get back up here. I just finished getting out of church, and now I'm here at a farm that I work at one day a week. My boss is out of town this weekend, so he asked me if I could swing by and feed some cattle, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Hi boys, how you doing? Manuel.
Alright. What are you guys doing? I think they're gonna get some food too, but they're up for a disappointment. Yeah, you guys are so curious. Yes, you are. I'll see you guys back at camp. Look at this guy. Holy smokes, he is big. Just driving out. Alligator snapping turtle. Man. I made it back here to camp, and almost as soon as I got back, it started to pour for a couple hours, so we were just hanging out down at the camp underneath, just reading, and it's completely blue skies now, and we're about to go hiking to a waterfall. So I'll see you guys on the trail.
You're gonna be so dirty, dog.
There's some sort of mushroom.
Alright guys, the falls are right up here. We're almost there. Alright, here we are at the falls. What do you think, Zeke? Good. I ended up climbing all the way back up to the top of the falls instead of climbing back down. So I started to go down and just about slipped and fell all the way down to the bottom. So I decided to take the safe route and come back up and then just take the trail down again. That toad is humongous. So frustrating.
Oh, it is. Because even if you do it like perfectly, it's still possible. What's the perfect?
Yeah, because we would like.
Alright, well, we had a really fun day, but it is late and I'm tired, so I'm going to go ahead and put up the camera, and I will see you guys in the morning.
So even if we pack up and then go do swimming or something.
Yeah, we'll probably pre-pack a lot of stuff.
Because we could be ready to go. I'm like cold and warm. Because we have to be here. We have to leave this place at 2. And then go to the beach.
Good morning. It is our last morning here, so I'm just out here getting things ready, packing up slowly, and then I'll probably go down and have some breakfast, and then I think we're gonna swim before we leave. So I hope you enjoyed this video though. If you did, please like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Comment if you have any ideas of other videos you want to see. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback, so I appreciate you watching. Thank you, and stay in the wild.